The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a mathematical tool. Title of the video: Abacus multiplication, addition and subtraction, key difference, example 2. Let us take the fractions 5 by 6 and 1 by 4 and add them. For 6 and 4, 12 is the least common denominator. Set the 12 in the extreme right of the abacus. Now set the first fraction 5 by 6 in the left side of the abacus. By keeping your left hand on the 6 and right hand on the denominator 12, ask how many 6's in 12. By saying 2, you clear the 6 and set 2. With this 2, multiply the numerator 5 and set the 10 in the numerator section. Now clear the numbers set in the extreme left. After clearing, set the second fraction 1 by 4 in the extreme left of the abacus. By placing your left hand on the 4 and right hand on the denominator 12, ask how many 4's in 12. By saying 3, clear the 4 and set to 3 in the same column. Now multiply 3 and 1. Add the number 3 with the value 10 already in the numerator section. The total of the numerator is 13. In the result, you should get a fraction in such a way that the numerator is always less than the denominator. In this problem, your numerator value is 13 and the denominator value is 12. Therefore, reduce 12 from the numerator and add that 1, which is nothing but 12 by 12 in the whole number section. The answer you get is 1 by 12. Though the two fractions are proper fractions, the addition of them has given us whole number 2. Let us see what happens in subtraction. In addition, we added the multiplied value 10 with 3. Both are numerator values, whereas in the subtraction, we subtract 3 from 10, and which gives the numerator as 7 and the denominator as 12. Therefore, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 4 is 7 by 12. Let us take the fractions 5 by 6 and 1 by 4 and multiply them. Here we simply multiply the numerators and denominators separately, and the result we get is 5 by 24. That is, 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Unlike the previous example, where we got the subtracted as well as multiplied values of the fractions as the same number, we got different values in fraction subtraction and fraction multiplication in the current example. Understanding the key difference between the fraction addition, subtraction and multiplication will help the child to handle fraction problems effectively. With this orientation, let us deal with the multiplication process involving mixed fractions.